Well, hello everyone, John Neal here. It's Tuesday the 2nd of August 2022 and it's the first day without my drone. I'm trying to sound cheerful, so I've made myself a nice cup of coffee. Before we get into this coffee making though, let me just thank everybody for their sympathy with the demise of my drone, which broke yesterday. I sent it off back to DJI, which is in the Netherlands actually, the European depot for that. And Brexit might slow things down a bit, but I have paid extra for it to go there and back quickly. Can't disclose how much, otherwise my marriage would be in jeopardy. However, I'm hoping it'll be fairly quick. Last time it was, and I've only done it once before, about 18 months ago. It took about 3 weeks, so I'm hoping it's going to be a lot quicker than that. So let's get on with the coffee making. First of all, I use this stainless steel cafetiere, which I got from Sainsbury's. Costs about £25. I'm putting in 2 heaped spoons of this Tanzanian coffee, which is ready ground and comes from Sainsbury's. This one is a lot cheaper actually. It's about the same price, but you get 454 grams, look, which grain for grain is better. And this one is certified favourable to the Rainforest Alliance, which says helps ensure that workers have improved access to dignified living conditions, healthcare and education for their children, which has got to be a good thing. Next, cold water from the tap into the kettle and switch it on. It's important apparently not to use boiling water to put onto the coffee, so either get it just before it boils or leave it for a few seconds after it has boiled. So pour the hot water into about just over 3/4 full. Then you have to wait about 4 minutes for it to do its job, and then you can plunge the lever down. We don't take sugar in our coffee, but we do use this whitener, which gives it a very creamy taste. And then, as always, one for me and one for Margaret. There you have it, that's me making a cup of coffee. Hope it was of interest. I don't know. That's the end of this video. There'll be another one soon. Thanks for watching. And thanks for the comments. I love them. Okay, bye-bye.